Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can control OrangePi 03 GPIO using Node-RED. Okay, now in this video we are going to cover that how you can control OrangePi 03 GPIO with Python and the WiringPi library. Okay, so we are going to use the WiringPi library to control the GPIO of our OrangePi 03 board. Now here you can see I have this OrangePi 03 board up and running fine, and I have connected this LED module which I have got it from the ACE port. Now this red wire is connected to the positive pin of this board. This blue wire is the ground wire, okay, and this yellow wire is the signal wire. So whenever we turn on the signal, the LED will on, okay. Whenever we turn off the output for this pin, the LED will turn off. Now we want to control those things with the Python, okay, or we can say if we want to create some basic blink sketch in the Python or basic blink program in the Python which can blink the LED connected with my OrangePi board, then how we can do that. So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So here you can see this LED is blinking, so my board is up and running fine. So first let's connect with this board using SSH. So here is the command to connect with the board using SSH. Okay, so just copy this command, open the command prompt and paste that command. Now it will ask for the password. Now we know the password for the OrangePi is the OrangePi. Okay, so I have provided the password. Now here you can see OrangePi 03. Now to control the GPIO of OrangePi 03, we have to install the WiringPi library and few software, okay, or you can say few packages. So for that I have already created this bash scripting to install the necessary thing. Okay, so first of all we'll create this file here, so we can use this command to create the file. Okay, and here you can see the file is blank. So what we will do is we will open this file, we will copy the entire content, okay, and we will paste that here. So this commands will install the required software along with the WiringPi. Okay, so you don't have to do anything manual, you just have to run this script and it will handle everything. Now you can press Ctrl X, okay, and then you can press Y to save this file. Okay, now we have to make this file executable, so we can run this command, okay, and hit enter. After that we want to install those things mentioned in this script, okay, just like WiringPi, Python 3 setup tools, okay, everything. So we have to run this bash script, okay, so we can copy this command and we can run that command here. So it will handle everything automatically without any manual intervention, and it will install the required packages along with the WiringPi. So let's wait until this process gets done. Okay, so here you can see WiringPi installation completed successfully. Okay, so the script worked well and we have successfully installed WiringPi in our OrangePi 03 board. Now if you want to check that WiringPi is installed successfully or not, then you can run this command GPIO read all. Okay, so I am going to clear my screen and I'm going to run the GPIO read all command. Now here you can see we have the result. It means WiringPi is installed successfully. Now here you can see we have two rows, okay, and I have connected my LED signal to the fourth pin, okay, and the fourth pin is WiringPi GPIO number 2, which is actual GPIO number 73, but for the WiringPi it will act as a 2, okay. The name is PC9 and the mode is set to the output mode. So we want to control the LED connected with this GPIO pin number, okay. So make sure for WiringPi it's a GPIO pin number 2, and for general purpose, okay, we can consider as GPIO number 73, which we can use for our Node-RED project. but for the Python we have to consider this number. Okay, now this command works well, means our WiringPi is installed successfully. Now what we can do is we can run this led blink.py, okay, to blink this led continuously at half of the second interval. So what you can do is you can copy this command to create this Python file in your OrangePi. So I have pasted this command here. We will hit enter and we'll go to our GitHub repository and we will copy this. Okay, copy raw file. We will paste that here, and here you can see we have defined the pin number 2 because when we have run the GPIO read all, the pin number 2 is equal to the GPIO number 73 on which we have connected our signal cable, okay, which is yellow one. Okay, so that's why we have to consider this, and we will turn this pin on for 0.5 second. We will turn off this pin for 0.5 second. Okay, and here is a while loop, so it will continuously go on. Now we can press Ctrl X and we can press Y to save this, and here is a command to run our Python script. Okay, so let me open these two things parallelly. Let me clear the screen for you and let me paste it. Okay, here you can see this LED is blinking at interval of 0.5 second. Okay, so this is how you can use OrangePi 03 board with WiringPi library to control the GPIO. And using GPIO, you can control the LED, you can control the servo motor, you can do your home automation project. Also, you can control the industrial equipments. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Now let's recap what you have to do. So you have to run this command to create this batch script. Okay, now what you have to put inside this batch script that I have provided here. Okay, so this is the commands which you have to copy paste inside that bash script, and then you have to make that script executable, and then you have to run that script to install the necessary software and library and WiringPi. Okay, after that you have to create this ledblink.py file, and then after you have to copy these content, okay, in that Python file, and using this command you can run that ledblink.py file, and once you run it you will see the output like this. Okay, and if you have connected your signal pin with any other GPIO pin, then you can get the GPIO number from here. Okay, so if you have connected your signal pin to this one, okay, then this is the GPIO pin number for your Python and the WiringPi projects. Okay, so from here you can get your GPIO pin number. Okay, so this is the 2 row. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the physical pin numbers. Okay, board physical pin numbers. So you can use any of the GPIO to control your equipments. Okay, either it can be industrial equipment or it can be LED, servo motor, anything. So I hope this is clear that how you can control the GPIO of your OrangePi 03 using Python and the WiringPi library. So if you want to install your software or library, then you can use this bash script, and after running the bash script, you can run this command GPIO read all, and if you get this result in your OrangePi 03, it means that we have successfully set up everything, okay, for the Python to control the GPIO. And then after you can try this example ledblink.py to control the GPIO here. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then feel free to ask me in the comment section, or you can also ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can send me a mail. Also you can ping me on LinkedIn. So let's meet in the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.